As an active manager, we'd love to hear your thoughts on, are there anything in particular that you do to buy and sell your stocks? In this case, Nvidia, you had it on very, very early, and I don't think you missed out on it. So can you share your thoughts around this?
Rebecca, I want to thank you so much for setting the record straight. You and Eric Balchunas as well know that we've owned Nvidia since inception. Some of our funds still own it. Our ARKQ fund and ARKW. In ARKQ, it's number 7. In Japan, we have 3 funds that own it. We have our Metaverse Fund, our Mobility as a Service Fund, and our Global Digitalization Fund. So they still own it. And as you know from our ETFs, we have taken profits. This stock has gone from $5 when we first bought it to $400. There's a lot of good news discounted in this stock, and we still think it will do well over time. However, there's a new group of stocks that are going to benefit from the foundation that Nvidia has laid. Nvidia is a hardware stock, and sure, it has some software, but the history of hardware and software is the bigger beneficiary over time is going to be software. And in our view, for every dollar of hardware that Nvidia sells, software providers, SaaS providers, will generate $8 in revenue. So we are looking to the software providers who are actually right now where Nvidia was when we first bought it. So Nvidia was in the $5 to $10 billion range. Now it's $1 trillion, as you said. But we have software opportunities out there like UiPath in the robotics process automation space, Twilio. In the genomic space, we have Exact Sciences, Teladoc. We have companies that are, because of artificial intelligence, they are going to develop new businesses that we think are going to thrive. And right now, they are in that $10 to $12 billion range that was in place when we first bought Nvidia. So we are really happy that investors who own benchmarks like the NASDAQ and QQQ still own Nvidia. They own it in some of our portfolios, but we're on to the next thing.